See how to solve WASSCE 2024 objective question number 2. In this question, we are asked to find the value of n-intercept r, given that p is a value between p1 less than p and less than 20, where p is an integer and r is r0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 25, where r is a multiple of 4. We are asked to find r-intercept r, p-intercept r. So in this question, all you need to find is to find the values of p and also find the values of r, and then you find the intercept between those two values. Now we are given the value of our p. Remember, if you have this value as inequality sign, that simply tells us that our p should be greater than 1 and our p should be less than what? Less than 20. So we are going to isolate the value of p, all the integer values of p in that set. But if we look at that, p is greater than 1. That means 1 is not inclusive. So p is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and they say p is less than 20, so that means 20 is also excluded. So these are all the integers. Integers are those values of what? Of p. Those are listed there. So the next thing we're going to look at is to look at the value of our r. What are the values of our r? From this expression, we are told that r is greater than or equal to 0 and r is less than or equal to 25. And we say r are multiples of 4. Now, what are multiples of 4 between 0 and 25? Now, if they ask you greater than or equal to, that means 0 is also included if it is a multiple of 4, and 25 is also included if it is a multiple of 4. So we're going to consider the multiple of 4. Multiples of any numbers are the value we get when we multiply that number from 1 to infinity. So if we multiply 4 times 1, 4 times 4, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is what? Is 12. These are the multiples of what? Of 4. So on and on it goes. 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20. Now 4 times 6 will give us a value that is greater than 25. So these are the values that are the multiples of 4 within the range of 0 and 25. Now from here we are asked to find the value of p intersect r. So what is the value of p intersect r? Intersection, when it comes to set, means the value that is common between p and what? And r. So we have 4 that is common, we have 8, 8 is common, we have 12, 12 is common, we have 16, 16 is common, we have 20 is not common. So the value of the values that are common is 4, 8, 12, and what? And 16. These are the intersects of what? P, the values of p intersect what? Intersect r. Now let's look for them in the option. Are they there? We have 4, 8, 12, and 16. That is option what? Option A. So you see, oh, that is option B, sorry, that is option B. So you see we have 4, 8, 12, and 16. So you see, this is how to go about answering question like this, and you just need few minutes to answer this kind of question. So if you do enjoy this video, expect the solution to question number 3. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with friends and colleagues who will be taking the GCE examination, because this is a preparatory class, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more of these questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you when we solve question number 3.